a nearly new truck, less than 100,000 miles. And suddenly, the engine is done. That sounds like something that shouldn't happen in 2026. But major engine problems have become a very real concern for owners of certain modern vehicles. And surprisingly, the explanation isn't simply that manufacturers forgot how to build engines. Modern engines are smaller, more powerful, and more efficient than ever before. But achieving all three at the same time has required some major changes under the hood, and those changes can come with consequences. The first major change is downsizing. 20 years ago, getting serious power often meant using a large naturally aspirated engine. Today, manufacturers can extract similar performance from much smaller engines. The secret is usually turbocharging. A turbo forces more air into the engine, allowing a smaller engine to produce significantly more power. That's great for performance and fuel economy, and it's one reason turbocharged gasoline engines have become so common. But there's a trade-off. A smaller engine producing the power once expected from a larger engine can operate under greater cylinder pressures and thermal loads. That doesn't automatically make a turbocharged engine unreliable. Plenty are extremely durable, but when maintenance is neglected, there's often less room for error. And that brings us to the second major change. Oil matters more than ever. Modern turbochargers can operate at extremely high speeds and temperatures, relying on engine oil for lubrication and cooling. Stretch oil changes too far, use the wrong specification, or repeatedly run the engine low on oil, and problems can become expensive very quickly. Older engines weren't immune to poor maintenance either. But today's tighter tolerances, turbochargers, and increasingly sophisticated components can make proper servicing even more important. That cheap oil change you skip could become a very expensive decision later. Then, there's direct injection. Instead of spraying gasoline into the intake port, direct injection engines deliver fuel straight into the combustion chamber. The technology can improve efficiency and performance, which is why manufacturers embraced it. But there's an interesting downside. Because gasoline no longer passes over the back of the intake valves in a pure direct injection engine, it doesn't provide the same cleaning effect. Over time, some engines can develop carbon deposits around the intake valves. AAA has specifically discussed this issue with direct injection engines and the need, in some cases, for physical carbon cleaning. Again, this doesn't mean every direct injection engine is destined to fail. It means another technology has been added that owners and mechanics need to understand. But complexity doesn't stop there. Modern engines also have increasingly sophisticated emissions and efficiency systems, variable valve timing, advanced cooling strategies, high-pressure fuel systems, and more sensors and electronic controls than engines from previous generations. These technologies have helped modern vehicles deliver impressive power while using less fuel. The downside is simple. There are more systems that can become expensive when something goes wrong. And sometimes the problem isn't maintenance at all. Toyota provides a very recent example. In 2026, Toyota expanded a recall involving certain Tundra trucks equipped with its V35A engine. According to the NHTSA recall documentation, debris left from the manufacturing process can contaminate the engine and cause a main bearing to fail, potentially resulting in an engine stall. That's important because it demonstrates something owners sometimes forget. A catastrophic engine problem doesn't necessarily mean the basic engine design is bad. Manufacturing defects can create serious failures even in vehicles for manufacturers with strong reliability reputations. And that's really the bigger story. Modern engines aren't necessarily worse. They're more optimized. Manufacturers are being asked to deliver more horsepower, better fuel economy, and lower emissions, often from smaller engines. Turbocharging, direct injection, and advanced engine management have made that possible. EPA data shows just how widespread turbocharging has become in modern gasoline vehicles. But squeezing more performance and efficiency from every component means maintenance becomes increasingly important. And when a genuine defect occurs, the repair can be extremely expensive. So if you're buying a modern vehicle, don't just ask how much horsepower it makes or how good the fuel economy is. Research the exact engine, not just the model. Check its recall history. Look for manufacturer service campaigns. Follow the correct oil specification and maintenance schedule. And if you're buying used, a documented service history can be worth far more than a shiny exterior. Because the difference between an engine that lasts 70,000 miles and one that reaches 200,000 may sometimes come down to something surprisingly simple: knowing exactly what's under the hood and taking care of it properly.